Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. My name is Shaina and I'm a physical therapist. Do you feel tingling and numbness around your arm and your fingers? Then this can be because of nerve compression or irritation. Today I'm going to demonstrate few nerve glides which are going to help reduce your pins and needles pain. So let's dive in. Before we start with the nerve glides, let's understand which nerve is getting compressed for you. So if you have pain and tingling and numbness behind your palm and your arm and the pain is going down to your fingers, then this is because of radial nerve. If you have pain going down from your arm, net your thumb, your index finger, your middle finger and half of your ring finger. If you have pain here, this is because of median nerve. And if you have pain towards outer side of your pinky finger and the pain and tingling is near to your pinky finger as well as half of your index finger, then this is because of the ulnar nerve. So which nerve is getting irritated for you? Just do those stretches. So let's start with the exercises. So the first nerve glide is for ulnar nerve. For this one, you're going to sit straight and you're going to keep your arm in 90-degree angle and your wrist is going to bend, it's going to extend and you're going to bend your neck towards the same side. From here, you're going to extend your arm and flex your wrist and take your neck towards the opposite side. So we'll go for 10 to 15 reps. Breathe naturally. Do this exercise at least 2 to 3 times a day to see the difference. Make sure when you're doing this exercise, you're not dropping your arm down. It should be 90-degree angle. And relax. The second exercise for median nerve, for this one you're going to stay in the same position and you're going to keep your arms straight and you're going to extend your wrist down. Your palm should face upward. Now from here you're going to take your neck towards the same side. Now when you bend your wrist and flex your wrist, you're going to extend your neck towards the opposite side. So the movement is going to look like this. Go for 10 to 15 reps. Breathe naturally. And relax. So the last nerve glide is for radial nerve. For this one, you're going to sit straight and you can also do this exercise in standing. Now from here, you're going to take your arm slightly away from your body. First, we'll go for internal rotation. You're going to extend your arm back and you're going to flex your wrist like this. Now when you're in this position, you're going to bend your neck towards the same side. Now when you bend your neck towards the opposite side, you're going to bend your elbow and bring your wrist towards your chest. So the movement is going to look like this. Go for at least 10 to 15 reps. Breathe naturally. And relax. When you're doing these nerve glides, your pain should feel better and you should feel comfortable. But if your pain is getting aggravated, make sure you stop the exercises. Start with just 10 repetitions and just see how you're feeling. If you feel comfortable with 10 reps, then you can do it at least 3 to 4 times a day. But if your pain is getting aggravated, just start with 2 to 3 reps and see how you're feeling. I hope you feel better with these exercises and I will see you in the next video. Thank you.